Hi traders, today is the 5th of September 2019. We are now live day trading crude oil market futures commodity October 2019 contract to CLV9. So at this moment we receive one buy signal during the beginning of US session New York time. So which is here. I queue at my buy stop limit order at 56.68. So you can check as well. I've provided live broadcast. Same signal 56.68, and then TP at 56.85 should be around that price level, and there's a link in the description below, you can go check on it. So let's go back to the chart. So I'm expecting for another bullish movement. Market went for sideways during London session. There's no signal from London session, so for today only US session. That is what I'm expecting for the market to go. So let's wait for it to trigger. So far it's not yet trigger, so hopefully once trigger it will go burst on the higher side. So the TP is 56.85, which is around 17 ticks. Looks okay. You can double up by trading to position size. So for today I will go for one position size, and let's take a look on the volume. Okay, there's a high volume waiting at 56.75. This is the highest at this moment on the upper side, so we haven't seen above. So for bottom side there's no interesting, and tonight there will be news data release for inventories, crude oil inventories, so which is quite important for us to make sure that to avoid that kind of situation, because market may go for both directions in a faster way. So by the way, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also there's a link link for my live broadcast signal, so you can check it out. There's a free trial, no need to pay anything, no need credit card, so just click on it and try the free trial. Okay, market did make a maybe pull back during the US session. Now time is 9:02 a.m. in the morning New York time. Still waiting. Okay, if the candle is going too big, the right one, I mean, maybe there's a full reversal. So at this moment I'm still queue at a 56.68. So let's wait. It's going to take some time. We've seen a strong red candle at this moment. I'm still queue for buy position, by stop limit order at 56.80, sorry, 68. Okay guys, it seems like penetration or reversal for bearish movement. I'm still waiting, but didn't make it. So now we can see clearly that there's more tendency for the market to go on the higher side, which is on the bullish movement. So you can see now this red candle failed to fully form, and as expected, this might be our entry here at the 56.68. So let's say that it's gonna take a few minutes. Maybe in 50 minutes should be in the market and on the bullish positions. By the way, the time now is 9:12 a.m. New York time. Hope to see our order got filled in the next few minutes. Okay, almost there. So the red candle changed to green one. Okay. Okay, you can see it's not far from our targeted entry at 50. Okay, we in the market. Looks good. Very fast. Very fast. So very fast we exit the market. This is very fast. It was a good one. I don't know what happened, but it's, I think, below 1 minute. I'm sure below 1 minute. So let's take a look on the activity log. We did enter at around 9:14. Sorry, we exit at 9:14. I'm not sure what time we in the market, but I'm sure this is below 1 minute time. Quite impressive. Okay, this one is a good one, a good example how this setup works. It's basically based on the hidden volume. So the name is hidden, so you can understand how it's interpret. Okay, by the way, please feel free to join my live broadcast. There's a free trial. There's a link below in the description, and just join it. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.